After watching this video till the end, you guys will left with no answer regarding the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So hold your seats tight as we are about to talk about every big update we might see on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Probably the ones you might not heard before or you expected, and it is going to happen in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Whether it's a new processor, a new camera, or possibly a new design that were not expected before, but it is going to happen with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And you might also surprise about the different release dates of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you find yourself in a space where you want to buy S22 Ultra right now, then I would suggest you to know about the big changes on Galaxy S23 Ultra and then decide. Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with one of the best 200 megapixel camera in the market, but there are a couple of new features that are also coming with the 200 megapixel camera. The most awaited one is an option for 50 megapixel, and it is coming as screenshot is out, and we clearly see an option for 200 megapixel or 50 megapixel, but there will be another option available which will be 12.5 or a default option. Also a couple of new features adding, including the sensor shift stabilization, ultra stabilization mode, potentially have an option to record portrait video at 2.8K or 4K, just like the iPhone 14 Pro Max cinematic mode. Number of pixels on the other lenses will remain the same. Give this video a like if you like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You might heard that Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a single processor, but did you guys know that Samsung didn't stop working on exynos 2300, but S23 Ultra will not feature this processor. Instead, Snapdragon Gen 2 will be the one processor we are going to see in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra lineup, as confirmed by the Qualcomm CEO. And the reason why you all guys should be happy is since this thing is way powerful than the last generation Snapdragon Gen 1, a much improved GPU Adreno 740 which will beat iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes, the GPU of Snapdragon Gen 2 is 11% faster than A16 Bionic chipset we see on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, even confirmed by the leaked benchmarks. The design will be slightly different on Galaxy S23 Ultra. The sides are more square compared to the S22 Ultra, which makes S23 Ultra looks thicker than the S22 Ultra, and the sides will be rounded just like the previous S-series devices, unlike the S22 Ultra. The first leaked release date of the Galaxy S23 Ultra was in January, and everyone talks about the date 5th of January, but the latest report from South Korea that Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to launch in the first week of February, and the phones will hit the market on 17th of September. If you want to see the Galaxy S23 Ultra spotted online, then you guys should check this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.